Namaste. Welcome to the lecture series on the subject Basic Thermodynamics. This is module 5 in that part 1 Ideal Gases, lecture number 7. Myself Dr. N. Satish Kumar, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering, Canara Engineering College, Bantwal. So we'll continue with the numerical on the gas mixtures. So let us solve this problem. A mixture of 3.5 kg of O2 plus 2.5 kg of N2 is stored in a vessel of 0.3 meter cube at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Find the partial pressures and mole fraction of each constant. Also determine the molecular weight and characteristic gas constant for the mixture. So it is almost the similar problem which is solved in the previous lecture. Let us solve this. So mass of O2 is given as 0.35 kg. Mass of N2 is 2.5. Okay. Total volume of the mixture is 0.3 meter cube. Temperature is given, and you have to find out the partial pressure of O2, N2, mole fraction of O2, mole fraction of N2, molecular weight of the mixture, and gas constant of the mixture. You know that mass is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. So a familiar equation for all of you. So if you write it for oxygen, so number of moles of oxygen is nothing but mass of oxygen divided by molecular weight of oxygen, which is 32. So you'll get number of moles of O2, you'll get it as 10.1094. Similarly, the number of moles of N2 you'll get as 0.0893, and total number of moles of the mixture is 0.1987 moles. So now you can find out mole fraction, which is nothing but the number of moles of each constant divided by number of moles in the mixture. So for mole fraction of oxygen you'll get as 0.5506, and mole fraction of N2 you'll get as 0.4494. So average molecular weight of the mixture, so a familiar equation, mole fraction of O2 into molecular weight of O2 plus mole fraction of N2 into molecular weight of N2. If you substitute, you'll get it as 30.204. So characteristic gas constant Rm is equal to R bar by molecular rate of the mixture. So you'll get 0.2753 kilojoules per kg per Kelvin. So I'm not giving any time for you to calculate. You can calculate this. You can solve this problem independently, in fact, but you can just check the solution using the this video lecture. Okay. Then coming to the partial pressure, so you have the state equation Pm Vm is equal to mm Rm into T. So Pm, you can find it out as 16.52 bar. Okay. So Pm is nothing but mass of the mixture into gas constant for the mixture into temperature divided by the volume of the mixture. So you'll get it in Pascal, in fact. Then you have to convert into bar by dividing it into 5. Now also you know that the partial pressure of O2 divided by pressure of the mixture is nothing but the mole fraction of oxygen. So partial pressure of oxygen you can find it as 9.90695 bar, 9.095 bar. Mistake, 9.095 bar. Similarly, you can find out the partial pressure of N2 as 7.424 bar. You can check out, if you add those two, you'll get 16.52 bar. Now Pn2 can also be found out by Pm, that is 16.52 minus 9.095. That's also you'll get it as 7.424 bar. So that is another method to find out the partial pressure of N2. You see, any shortcut methods, if you are aware, you can use that. No need to stick to the only one equation. Okay. Now let us solve this problem. A mixture of ideal gases consists of 3 kg of N2, 5 kg of CO2 at a pressure of 300 kilopascal and a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Determine the mole fraction of each constant, molecular weight of the mixture, gas constant of the mixture, partial pressure, and partial volumes of the constant. Okay, constant gases. So given mass of N2 is 3 kg, mass of CO2 is 5 kg, mixture pressure is 300 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal or 3 bar, temperature of the mixture is 293 Kelvin. So you have the mass is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. So N2 that is number of moles of N2 is nothing but mass of N2 divided by the molecular weight of N2, so you'll get as 0.1071. Similarly, number of moles of CO2 as 0.1136. Total number of moles of the mixture, you have to just add those two, so you'll get 0.2207 moles. Then mole fraction of N2 you'll get as 0.4852, mole fraction of CO2 as 0.5146. Then molecular weight of the mixture, usual formula, you'll get as 36.23 kg per kg mole. Then the gas constant for the mixture as 0.2295 kilojoules per kg per Kelvin. Then partial pressure of N2 is nothing but mole fraction of N2 into mixture pressure, you'll get as 1.456 bar. Similarly, partial pressure of CO2 you'll get as 1.544 bar. If we add those two, you'll get 3 bar, right, which is nothing but the mixture pressure. Now using the state equation, you can find out okay, this is the state equation, and to find out the Rn2 in this state equation, you can use the R bar by M equation. For nitrogen, it is R bar by Mn2, so you'll get as 0.2969 kilojoules per kg per Kelvin. So from that you can find out the volume of N2 substituting in this equation. So Vm2 you have to find out. So okay, Vn2 is equal to Mn2, that is 3. Rn2 just now you find out 0.2969, and it is kilojoules, so it is multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Multiplication is done here, and T is 293 divided by P is 300 into 10 to the power 3. Now one more thing, you can substitute P in 300 kilopascal, then no need to write 10 to the power 3 here. So this also you can need not write, you can substitute in 0.2969 kilojoules itself. So that is your understanding. If R is in kilojoules, then pressure should be in kilopascal. If R is in joules, then pressure should be in pascal. That is a very important thing while substituting for in this equation. So volume of N2, so you'll get as 0.87 meter cube. Similarly, using this equation, you can find out RCO2 first as 0.1889 kilojoules per kg per Kelvin, then volume of CO2 as 0.923 meter cube. So this is for CO2. Now we'll solve this problem. A gaseous mixture contains 21% by volume of N2, 50% by volume of H2, and 29% by volume of CO2. Calculate the molecular weight of the mixture, gas constant of the mixture, the ratio of specific heats of the mixture. Assume that Cp for N2, H2 and CO2 as 1.038, 14.235 and 0.8221 kilojoules per kg degree Kelvin. Okay, that is not 0 Kelvin, this is degree Kelvin respectively. Okay, just a correction there. Now you know that volume fraction, which is also equal to, sorry, mole fraction, which is also equal to the volume fraction, which is nothing but Pa by Pm. Okay, it is Pa by Pm. So here volume fraction of N2 is 0.21, volume fraction of hydrogen is volume fraction of hydrogen is 50%, correct. Okay, volume fraction of CO2 is 0.29. okay, so volume fractions of nitrogen, hydrogen and CO2 are given as 21%, 50% and 29%, correct. Okay, then molecular weight of the mixture, so usual formula, so you'll get 19.64 kg per kg mole. Then gas constant, Rm is equal to R bar by molecular weight of the mixture, so you'll get it as 0.4233 kilojoules per Kelvin. So there is no much difficulty in solving these problems, so I'm going a bit faster. Okay, so you can just work out. And similarly, we have the state equation for nitrogen, Pn2 V is equal to Mn2 Rn2 into T, and also for the mixture, Pm V is equal to mm Rm into T, and if you divide, so you'll get Pn2 by Pm is equal to Mn2 by mm into Rn2 by Rm. So here Pn2 by Pm is nothing but mole fraction of N2, which is nothing but 0.21, and Mn2 by mm you can write it as mass fraction of N2, and Rn2 you can write it as R bar by Mn2, and this Rm in the denominator will come it as here as 1 by Rm. Okay, fine. So you substitute here, so this is 0.21 is equal to, okay, 0.21 is equal to MFN2 into 8.3143 by 28 into 1 by 0.4223 4233. So you'll get MF, that is mass fraction of N2, as 0.2994. okay. So mass fraction doesn't have any unit because it is mass of the integer constant gas divided by total mass of the mixture. Similarly, mass fraction of hydrogen is nothing but this equation, that is volume fraction of hydrogen into mass of hydrogen by R bar into Rm. So you'll get as 0.1018. Similarly, you'll get mass fraction of CO2 as 0.6496. Only thing is formula is the same, but suffix you have to use for individual gases. Now coming to the specific heated constant pressure for the mixture. So Cp of the mixture is equal to mass fraction of N2 into Cp of N2 plus mass fraction of hydrogen into Cp hydrogen plus mass fraction of CO2 into Cp CO2. So here it is given, the Cp of individual gases are given, so just substitute. So you'll get the specific heated of the mixture rather is equal to 2.2932 kilojoules per kg per degree Kelvin. Similarly, you can find out the direct formula also you can use. Otherwise, you can use the formula Cv is equal to Cp minus R. So Cv for the mixture is equal to Cp for the mixture minus R for the mixture. So you'll get it as 1.8699 kilojoules per kg degree Kelvin. So direct formula also you can use for like previous formula for Cp. Okay, for the Cv also mixture Cv. Okay. Now the ratio of specific heats of the mixture gamma is equal to, or gamma for the mixture is equal to Cp for the mixture divided by Cv for the mixture. So you'll get it as 0.2264. Okay. So with this I conclude this lecture number 7 rather. Okay. I was a bit quick in going through these slides just because most of the formulas were familiar to you, and it is very easy rather to work on these numericals from this chapter. So if you want, you can work out individually slowly. Okay, practice. Okay, thank you.